Smart Rapper Gang.
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the phone call or the voicemail effect like it sounds when you're talking on the phone. And this is very useful. I remember I used to use this effect all the time because I started recording myself when I was like 15 and I was using Cool Edit Pro, okay? And if you don't know about that, anyways, I can do that. But they used to have a voicemail effect that I used to use all the time. And now I'm gonna show you how to do it in any digital audio workstation, any DAW. Very, very simple, just using an EQ. Really quick video just so you know how to do it. Let's get into it on the screen here. So I got a little piece here from my new single. I'm just gonna show you. This is the EQ, just like bass, just sitting here. Actually, you know what? Let me flatten it real quick. Let me little flatty, little flatty. Okay, flatten this out. So this is how it sounds flat. Okay.
No, I cannot fuck with you. I got bigger things to do.
Just flat. Okay. Now here. This is how you do the voicemail effect, super easy, okay? Most EQs you can grab and you can move around, okay? I'm gonna show you here. This is part of Waves, this is REQ6, and I'm in Pro Tools, but most of the digital audio workstations, all the digital audio workstations have a built-in one. And for instance, in Pro Tools, you can get EQ3, this is a 7-band one. It has the ability to control the EQ, okay? So all you wanna do is you wanna grab the EQ. I'd rather show you with REQ6 though, okay? It looks a little better. Okay, so make this flat again. So all you're gonna do is this, you're gonna drag, you're gonna take this, you make sure it's a low pass. Low pass, pretty much, don't get you confused. It just curves at the bottom. You can see this here, it curves here. You're gonna take this, you're gonna pull this over to around 400. See these numbers in the spectrum? This is 500, this is 400 here. This is all part of the lows. And these are the highs. You wanna take this and you wanna make this a low pass as well, okay? And you're just gonna freaking pull this down to around 4,000. Okay, so you get 4, you got 2, you got 4, and then you're gonna pull one of the middle ones and you're just gonna pull it all the way up here. So pretty much it looks like a little mountain in the beginning from 400 to 4,000. Don't let the numbers confuse you, just make it look like this. So here's what it sounded like before, pretty much.
No, I cannot fuck with you. I got bigger things to do.
Okay, and here's what it sounds like with the voicemail effect on it.
No, I cannot fuck with you. I got bigger things to do.
Right, it's really that simple. You can just continue adjusting this. You can pull this down. You can pull this over some more. You want to give it a little more clarity.
No, I cannot fuck with you. I got bigger things to do.
It's really, really that easy, okay? That's it. Just do around 400 on the low end, 4K, low pass on both, and just make it pretty much like this. And it's cutting out all the lows, it's cutting out all the highs, and it's giving it that sound like you're on the phone or like you were listening to a voicemail. You'll be able to use this feature in intros and outros, or maybe as an effect inside of a song if you're talking about a phone call. You just became a smarter rapper. Make sure you subscribe. Do it. 80,000 subscribers, we're growing by 15,000 subscribers a month, new video every day. I'm Rob Level. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Smart Rapper Gang.